Higgsfield AI is one of the fastest growing AI platform I have ever came across. So the reason why I'm making this review is to show you some amazing features on this particular AI platform. You can find any and every AI tool that you want to use. For example, we have the Nano Banana Pro. We have the skin enhancer that makes your skin or any AI image or video that you want to generate, it makes the skin look realistic, right? We have the Clean 2.6 cinematic. It is very accurate. The audio, the cinematic effect, it is very accurate. We have this face swap, so you can just take any picture, post any picture, and post your own picture for face swap. We have the angles, we have the CD, we have transitions, we have any AI tool that you want to use. We have it right here in Higgsfield AI. I have a viral video that you guys just saw that is currently trending all over social media platform, and I want to show you guys how to generate that particular video using Higgsfield AI. I actually used Higgsfield AI to generate that video, and I want to show you how amazing this tool is literally. But before we get started, I want to show you guys something. So Higgsfield AI, it is not free, because if you want free things, you know it is not going to be quality. So you want to invest a little amount of money into your AI business or AI content creation business that you want to start. So this is Higgsfield AI plan. We have $49 per month. Okay, we have different plan. We have the team plan, which is $49 per month, and so on and so forth. So we have the, let me just switch to annual. So you can get up to 55% if you subscribe to yearly plan, as you can see right here. So we have different plans on Higgsfield that you can subscribe to get started. And the reason why I think this is worth it is because look at this, look at all the feature that you can use. So you can maximize, you pay a little amount of money and you'll be able to use all these amazing tools. All right, now for us to get started, I want to show you how I created that my viral video. So I'm just going to come over here. I'm going to come over to Clean Motion Control. That is what I want to use. I clicked on video, then I came to Clean Motion Control. I'm just going to show you guys how I am going to generate that my viral video. So you want to come to upload reference video. That is, go and take a video on your social media platform. You can take it on TikTok, you can screen record it on TikTok, screen record on Instagram, screen record on Facebook. Then you want to click on upload reference video. Okay, so guys, as you can see, the video is currently uploading. So you want to take your own, you want to take it to that baby videos or your own to that baby image or your own image, whatever image that you want, that you want to use literally. So I'm just going to come over here, click on upload photos. So I have uploaded my photo right here. How do I generate this photo? I actually did this photo using Higgsfield.ai as well. Okay, but that is not why we are here on today's video. Okay, so we have our reference video, Priscilla Ojo and Jumaju's her husband, and we have the image that we want the image to act like this literally. So I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to click on generate. Look at the video has been generated. I'm just going to click on it and play it. Let me click on it and play it. So after you like what you see, you want to come right here, come down here and just save your video. Okay, save, click on save video, or you can just download your video. Now as you can see, I have been able to generate so many amazing videos using this particular Higgsfield.ai. So you can monetize these videos, you can sell your course, you can make money from this. Okay, Higgsfield has made it possible for creators to create video with ease, using experimenting with different amazing tools. So you want to head over to Higgsfield right now to get started.